Ever gazed at a skyscraper or crossed a massive bridge and wondered, how did they even build that? Today, we're diving into the colossal world of engineering projects that not only redefine what's possible but also reshape our planet and future. From connecting continents to establishing outposts in space, we'll journey through humanity's most audacious feats of engineering, uncovering the ingenuity, sheer will, and incredible ambition behind them. Get ready to be amazed. Our first stop takes us to the early 20th century, the Panama Canal. This monumental waterway cut through the Isthmus of Panama, linking the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans and revolutionizing global shipping. It involved overcoming immense challenges like dense jungles, treacherous terrain, and devastating diseases, moving over 200 million cubic yards of earth. Its completion in 1914 was a triumph of perseverance, forever altering world trade. Next, let's tunnel deep beneath the Alps to Switzerland, home to the Gotthard Base Tunnel. At 57 kilometers, it's the world's longest and deepest railway tunnel, allowing high-speed trains to slice through the mountains in just 20 minutes. This 17-year project required drilling through 9 rock types, battling extreme temperatures, and pioneering new techniques, demonstrating incredible precision and geological mastery. Finally, we look skyward to the ultimate collaborative endeavor, the International Space Station, or ISS. This habitable artificial satellite, continuously orbiting Earth since 2000, is a testament to international cooperation and engineering ingenuity. Assembled piece by piece in space, it serves as a microgravity research laboratory, pushing the frontiers of science and technology, and showcasing humanity's ambition to live and work beyond our planet. These aren't just structures, they are monuments to human ambition, our incredible problem-solving capabilities, and our relentless drive to innovate against all odds. They remind us that with vision and perseverance, no challenge is too great. Which of these projects inspires you most? Share your thoughts below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing engineering insights.